Apple TV version 4 unboxing. $64 just arrived yesterday. Usual shrink wrap. Looks the same as an old Apple TV on the top. Alright, normal stuff inside an Apple TV, a bit thicker. Usual plastic wrap around it. Pull that off. Also around the edges. And underneath, like rubbery, grippy bottom. It's reasonably hefty. And the new remote. More plastic wrapping. Boom, off it comes. Very light. Okay, what's next? Ooh, yes, here we go. The manual, all 2 pages of it. Let's get started. And a couple of stickers as usual. Pointing out the obvious things on the back. Yep. Okay. It comes with its own lightning cable, which is quite handy because you can use it for your phone or whatever. It's used to charge the remote. One last thing. Power cable. Good quality power cable, quite long. And that's it. Let's set it up. Here's the old one and the new one. Get rid of the old one. Right. Network cable. Ethernet. Plug that in. HDMI. And power. The new one doesn't have optical, but that's alright. HDMI carries the sound. Okay, power on. You need to pair your remote. Eventually, oh yes, now choose your language. Just swipe down the top of the remote, just like a touchpad.
Language, English, UK, button. Australia.
Let's try Australian English. In New Zealand. Okay, set up device. I couldn't get that to work, so I'm setting it up manually. Right, so enter your Apple ID and password. Wait a minute. Oh, okay, so location services, yes. Fancy new screensavers, yep. Diagnostic, sure. App analytic, yep, okay. Terms and conditions, yep, have to agree to that. Okay, yes. Alright, we're in. This is the new Apple TV. How it looks, hasn't got any apps in it, bugger all. So, quick look in settings. Okay, it's got my iCloud and iTunes account. Home sharing is important, so I'll turn that on. I use the same one, of course. You need to put your password in there, I just didn't want to show that. We need some apps, let's go. Crossy Road. Right, I better try and install one. NBA. Oh yeah, little icon, install. Okay. I think it says install because I've already got the app on my iPhone. So when the app's running, it looks pretty much like the old NBA app. Alright, let's try another. Ted, that's always good. Get. Okay, so I don't have the app, so it wants me to get it. Oh, there's the apps come up. Let's try Crossy Road. Yeah, so I've played it before on my iPhone, so it remembers who I am. That's good. Controls are the same using the remote. Swipe or click.
You can just tap to go forward.
Oh, run over. And that's all.